Welcome in this session. In this session we will learn homophones. Homophones means the spelling is different but the pronunciation same, that we call homophone. Homo means one and phone means sound. If the sounds are same but the meaning and spellings are different, that means homophones. In our English language there are many homophones and we should know these homophones. Why should we know the homophones? What are the importance to learn homophones, or what are the benefits of learning homophones? If we know the homophone, we can understand the meaning of each and every word. We know the meaning of the words are different in a context. So at the beginning we can understand the contextual meaning of the homophones. If someone is speaking and you are listening to him or her, how can we understand the meaning of exact word? So that's why we should know the homophones. Homophones are useful for writing also. When we write something, so we should know the correct spelling of that word. Sometimes we know the pronunciation but we don't know the spelling. That's why we commit some mistakes. So we should know the meaning, the spelling and pronunciation also. So in this session we will learn homophones. These homophones are useful for the English medium students, Marathi medium students. It is useful for not only 10th examination but also scholarship examinations and the whole life. Whenever you come across the different homophones, you should know and you can use in your speaking and writing also. So we begin with some examples. होमोफोन्स मध्ये आपण काही उदाहरणं पाहणार आहोत आणि काही उदाहरणांची वाक्यात उपयोग कसा करायचा किंवा वाक्यात उपयोग कसा होतो, कारण एखादा होमोफोन जेव्हा वाक्यात समजून घेतो तेव्हा आपल्याला खऱ्या अर्थाने होमोफोनचा अर्थ लक्षात येतो. सो वी विल लर्न सम होमोफोन्स विथ एक्झाम्पल्स. द फर्स्ट द पेयर ऑफ होमोफोन, that is a fair. The spelling of fair is different. F-A-I-R. Fair means color. Yes. Another fair, F-A-I-R, the spelling same, but the meaning is village fair, jatra. Another fair, that is a tariff, bhade. So we can use that word, airfare or bus fare or train fare. Next pair of not only pair but three words, that is a week. Suppose there are 7 days in a week, right? W-E-E-K, week. Another W-I-C-K, week. The pronunciation same. That means candle week. Candle week म्हणजे मेणबत्तीची जी ज्योत असते त्याला आपण वीक असं म्हणतो. Another week, oh, that person is so weak. That means not strong. Opposite of strong. खूप दुबळा आहे. 3 words, C-E-L-L. Cell, it is a biological word that you call gel. Cell means gel. सेलचा अर्थ जेल असा होतो. त्याला आपण एग सेल, अंडाकृती असलेला जेल, किंवा सेल इज अ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सेल, जे बॅटरीमध्ये टाकले जातात त्याला आपण सेल असं म्हणतो, C-E-L-L. अँड वन इज अ सेल. आवर बॉडी इज मेड बाय मिलियन्स ऑफ सेल्स. म्हणजे आपलं शरीर हे कोट्यावधी पेशींनी बनलेलं आहे, सेल्स. नेक्स्ट सेल इज अ S-E-L-L. वी सेल समथिंग इन द मार्केट, वी बाय समथिंग. अपोजिट ऑफ बाय, सेल म्हणजे विकणे. नेक्स्ट सेल इज अ द बोट इज सेलिंग. ही इज अ बोट सेलर. सेल मीन्स float in the water, पाण्यावर तरंगणे. That is the words. Sit, S-I-T and S-E-A-T. S-I-T, that is action. I am sitting on the bench. And another seat, that is a thing. Okay. Next pair, test, T-E-S-T and T-A-S-T-E. Test. Small examination. So we have a unit test, and another test is the test of food. चव घेणे. That food is not tasty or there is no taste in that food. Wet, WET and WEIGHT. Wet means opposite of dry. Oh, I wait in the rain. म्हणजे भिजणे. And that weight is a weight something. Oh, his weight is high. Another word is a wait, WAIT. Wait means to wait someone. कुणाच्या तरी वाट पाहणे. Oh, I am waiting for you for 1 hour. He is waiting for him for 30 minutes. Next word, fit. FEET and FIT. Feet and fit. Fit, that is a plural of foot. पायाचा अनेक वचन हे फिट आहे. आणि FIT, that is appropriate. Oh, this dress is a fit for you, or that person is a fit for that job. Throne, THRONE. Throne means the seat of king, where the seat seats. राजाचं सिंहासन, ज्याला आपण थ्रोन असं म्हणतो. And another word is a throne, THROWN. That is a past participle of throw. Throw, 3 throne. Hour, HOUR. We use for the measuring time, 1 hour, 2 hour. The spelling is HOUR, but pronunciation is hour. And another hour is a pronoun. This is our school. This is our garden. Road, ROAD. Road means path. And RODE. Its pronunciation also road, but this right चा भूतकाळ आहे road. Meat, MEAT, meat of animal. Many people eat that meat. म्हणजे मटन अशा अर्थाने. आणि दुसरं मीट आहे MEAT, मीट. टू मीट समवन, कुणाला तरी भेटणे. लीव अँड लिव्ह. लिव्ह मीन्स गिव्ह अप, सोडून देणे. आणि LIVE, लिव्ह मीन्स राहणे. नेक्स्ट इज अ पीस, PIECE. And another word is a piece, PEACE. The first piece is a piece of cloth, piece of something, piece of wood, लाकडाचा तुकडा, कागदाचा तुकडा किंवा कपड्याचा तुकडा, piece of paper. And another piece is a silence. Hail, snow hail. जेव्हा गारा पडतात त्याला आपण हेल असं म्हणतो, HAIL, हेल. And another word is HELL, हेल. Go to hell. अपोजिट ऑफ हेवन. एखाद्या माणसाला जेव्हा राग येतो आणि तेव्हा समोरच्या माणसाला तो असा रागातून म्हणतो गो टू हेल. दॅट मीन्स अपोजिट ऑफ हेवन, नरकात जाणे. डीड, DEED. डीड मीन्स ॲक्टिव्हिटी. इट इज हिज डीड, हे त्याचं कृत्य आहे. आणि DID, डीड, दॅट इज अ पास्ट टेन्स ऑफ डू. फील अँड फील. फील, दॅट इज अ इमोशन or touch or sense. I feel today is warm. I feel today is cold. म्हणजे वाटणे. किंवा समटाइम्स दॅट इज अ सेन्स. आपण एखाद्या गोष्टीला टच करतो. आय फील इट इज अ सॉफ्ट. आय फील इट इज हार्ड. अँड अनदर फील इज टू फील द फॉर्म, टू फील द वॉटर, टू फील द वॉटर इन टू द बॉटल. भरणे, FILL. अनदर वर्ड इज अ फ्लोर, FLOOR. Floor means surface. First floor, second floor. And another floor is a floor of grain, peat, flour mill, FLOUR. Waste, WAIST, waste. Waste means misuse, misuse of something. Don't waste the water. म्हणजे वाया घालवू नका अशा अर्थाने आपण वेस्ट म्हणतो. You should not waste the food. We should not waste the water. पाणी आणि अन्न वाया घालवू नका. आणि दुसरा वेस्ट आहे WAIST, मिडल ऑफ द बॉडी. वेस्ट, आपली कंबर जी असते त्याला आपण वेस्ट असं म्हणतो. अनदर वेस्ट, दॅट इज अ WEST, अपोजिट ऑफ ईस्ट. सन सेट्स इन द वेस्ट. सूर्य पश्चिमेकडे मावळतो. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज अ फेल, FAIL and FELL. FAIL, fail means opposite of success. He fell in the examination. And another fell is a past tense of fall. He fell into the mud. तो चिखलात पडला. FELL. In and in means inside. And INN means mess, खानावळ. Whole and whole. WHOLE. Whole means entire. And HOLE. Whole means pit, छिद्र. Hit, HIT. Hit means strike or a slap. Hit the ball. And another hit, HEAT. Hit means temperature. Off, OF. Off means possession. जे आपण वाक्यामध्ये ऑफ शब्द वापरतो तेव्हा पोजेशन अशा अर्थाने वापरतो. आणि दुसरा जो ऑफ आहे OFF. ऑफ मीन्स क्लोज, ऑन अपोजिट ऑफ क्लोज. सीप अँड सिप. SHEEP सीप ॲनिमल मेंढी. and SHIP ship, boat, now. Rich, RICH. He is a rich man, very wealthy man. And REACH, rich म्हणजे पोहोचणे. He reached at the destination. So, so means therefore, म्हणून. And so, SOW, sow the seeds, पेरणे, पेरणी करणे, लावणी करणे. List, LIST, make a list of the things, catalog. And another list, LEAST, list means minimum, at least. To, TO2 means towards, and TOO2 means also, and TWO2 means to number. Lip, LIP, we know the lips of mouths. And LEAP, leap means jump. He has taken a long leap. Sun and sun, you know. SUN and SON. सूर्य आणि स्वतःचा मुलगा. Pray, PRAY. We pray for the God. We pray every day. प्रार्थना करणे. And PREY, pray means भक्ष्य. Deer, DEER, deer means animal, हरिण. And DEAR, deer means प्रिय. Route, ROUTE, route. This route is nearest route for that place. रस्ता. And ROOT, root means part of the plant, मूळ. Full and full, FULL, full means complete, and FLL, full means stupid. Sum, SUM, sum means addition or money, and SOME, sum means little, कमी, काही प्रमाणामध्ये. Night, NIGST, day and night, and KNIGST, night means सरदार. sin, SIN, sin म्हणजे वाईट कृत्य किंवा त्याला आपण पाप असं म्हणतो. आणि SEEN, sin, past tense of past participle of see, saw, seen. आणि दुसरा एक सीन आहे SCENE, सीन म्हणजे दृश्य. that scene was not good. Get, GATE, get means doer, and GET, get means मिळवणे. Mail, mail as a post, email. And another mail is a man, male and female. Hire, HIGHER, hire means up, and HIRE, hire means on rent, भाड्याने देणे. Tell, 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 I tell a story. Tell means say, सांगणे. And another word is a tail, TAIL, tail of rat. Tail of cat, मांजरीची शेपटी. Another word is a tale that we have discussed about that. Tale means story. Know, KNOW, I know you. I have no money. Yes, KNOW and NO. New, NEW, new means fresh, completely new. And I knew you, KNEW. Steal and steal, STEAL, स्टील म्हणजे चोरणे. आणि STEEL, स्टील मीन्स आयर्न, लोखंड. चिक, CHICK, चिक. बर्ड्स यंग वन, पक्ष्यांच्या लहान पिल्ल्यांना आपण चिक असं म्हणतो. आणि चिक मीन्स गाल. फोर्थ, FOURTH, नंबर, 4 नंबर. अँड फोर्थ, FORTH, फोर्थ मीन्स अहेड, गो अहेड. इयर, YEAR, year means 12 months, varsha, and EAR, year means part of body. Red, color, and READ, the spelling same but pronunciation red, past tense of read. Thank you.